Welcome to Manhattan Central Park Home One, your new haven in New York. This student accommodation offers a wide range of non-ensuite and ensuite rooms designed for the student lifestyle. Each room features plush beds accompanied by a study desk where you can get your assignments done. Step into the common room where you can enjoy your favorite show while savoring delicious food. The well-equipped kitchen includes a fridge, cooktop, and other amenities, simplifying your daily routine. Additionally, nestled in the heart of New York, this residence is a vibrant hub for students from Columbia University and the City College of New York. On lazy days, grab some dinner from local favorites like Happy Hot Hunan or Chirping Chicken. Catch a bus from nearby bus stops that are only a short walk away and explore faraway destinations such as Central Park Zoo or the Channel Gardens. Weekends can be made fulfilling with fun visits to places like Nobody Told Me or Dive 106. Embark on your new life at Manhattan Central Park 1 by securing your stay through amberstudent.com. Your safe and vibrant home in the heart of New York awaits your presence.